Alright, now we're realsies.
Actually, the worst part is against me. Like, I have nothing piercing in my deck, so you probably it's super hard. You probably slap me like a little boy. Every day we get to buy.
Oh my goodness,
don't
Riffle
know.
Shuffle.
I think he's playing right.
Okay.
Or Ben.
So is there one more round after this, or if like
If I
If
lose,
he loses,
if you lose?
then
if I
there
lose,
is.
there's no more rounds.
Oh,
If I
man.
win, there's no
No,
more
win.
rounds.
Win.
Yeah, yes. I'm actually really happy with this deck. I knew this deck would be mean.
Yeah.
It is the road.
Yeah.
Green Digimon.
This is my maiden voyage for black. And it's gonna get stomped on right now.
No.
Yeah, it will. We know it will.
It's not traditional Lord Knight, so like Crania just looks at me and is like,
Hi.
I'm a
looks
big
at
boy.
Yeah, well, I said this is black, and we all know black is trash, so.
I'm excited to see how this goes. Though. I think this will be
I
an
think you're gonna love it.
interesting
All
match.
you're gonna do is hard play Lord Knightmon, and it's game over.
I don't know.
I do.
I'm interested though.
Babies haven't shuffled. Let's rolling some dice. I got it. Yes. Heck yeah. Good luck, good sir.
Good luck to you.
Fuck, there we go.
Oh man.
Okay, not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
You know the funny part is?
Me too.
I think
I have learned if I get my Mimi.
Yep. See,
I need
that's
to
what you
start
do,
playing
and that's what
early.
becomes game over for us.
no, actually,
Look 'em up.
Big stonks, man.
You got this. I believe in you. Part of the cards and stuff.
Swing at you. Try.
Digiverse these two. I'll gain a memory. And then this returns back to hand.
Yeah, we'll
I
let
can
it.
block it.
Cool.
Actually, I should have done that different. I should have done her and then killed that probably. That's probably gonna screw me over, honestly. But
Do you not recover? Oh,
No.
it's on play.
Yep. You're good. I'm not less either.
yep.
Do they even want to do it or not? Oh.
Digiverse. So I now swing for 3 security.
Try.
And 12.
2. Oh. And 3.
Kill that.
Yep.
Then start.
I would have to chaos on my hand.
Right. We'll go ahead and swing
Monkey.
1300.
Big boy.
You get mine.
No, one.
Swing at you. Drop.
Gary.
I guess I'll tap the other one. I guess I'll push that. So it's out there. We'll go 1.
Swing at you.
Nice.
Push it to 4.
How do you do it?
What?
0 because I'll take
How do you do it?
-4.
Yep.
Okay.
Kill it.
Swing 1 jamming.
Yeah, that's not gross.
Oh. That's it.
Oh.
video character need hog. I'm like, good. You did that. I'm like, yes. I drew the need hog for turn ago, so
Oh,
I was gonna potentially try to OG game.
Oh.
Kill you off that turn. Like if you would have need hog and went up something else, I was like, I am on board. You have to level 5 or higher.
oh yeah, shit. That won't work then.
I don't think it matters.
Sorry, but it was not me being like,
It
no,
doesn't
it's like,
matter.
I'm like,
I didn't.
my pretty one says so.
Oh, big thing.
3. Ooh, I just took a card.
I know it's a bad habit, man.
No, it's all good. I wish I was cool enough to do it.
It's good.
Swing at you. Draw.
I will block. Kill it.
Yep.
Yep.
Tento. I'd rather put Tento up.
Swing at you.
Block. Kill it.
De-Digivolve. Draw. Now I see it. That's
There it is. Bring him out, bud.
for. I'll tap that. I see the Lord Knight after I go over the bushy, and I'm like, no. Great.
Play that. And we'll spend the goblin. And we'll do the Nidhogg. And gain memory. Those crash. He's 1500 too.
The only thing that can swing is
Yeah.
that was wait, those are
Yep.
no-goes.
Swing, I guess. Oh, that's yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah,
That's also surprised you didn't tap this for the
Instead of that.
effect, so you had an extra swing.
Right.
That's the little interaction you gotta try to remember though.
Swing, go to 3.
You still have another boy that you
You
can
go to
with.
3.
That's what I'm waiting for. Yeah.
Draw.
Yeah, I needed a blocker.
Swing at you.
Even if you had a blocker, this Lila,
Do your thing.
tap it.
Yep.
Swing.
So we don't have what's her
Yeah,
name.
that's true.
We don't
You
worry
have
about
to
it.
give people.
'Cause
That comes out.
I was close.
Oh, it does.
to what
That
I
goes.
wanted,
Good call.
so,
Does not matter.
And then literally,
You got
my
the
turn
bottom.
goes.
Swing
do
at
this,
you.
Do
Drop.
this.
Right.
Do this to make sure you die.
yeah.
So it's like I have game.
Oh yeah.
Swing at you.
Blocky, blocky, block.
Because I think I want to
Okay.
put this back to the way.
Swing at you.
Lock and crash.
It seemed to play
Suicide.
way better, honestly, when I was playing it.
The worst part is every time I do it, I have this instead of this stupid jamming one.
Oh really? Because the one I had before that I took apart to rebuild to build this today before I came.
Yep.
I liked it better. I think.
I survived it.
And the stuff that I flog them on.
Yeah. Just because I can swing 3 things. A little easier.
The only problem with it is you also. So I think
Yep.
Yeah, I agree. But where you can do the Digiverse to gain that memory to put you to 4 most of the time helps. But I think the one thing that kills me is not having the extra memory. Having only 2 sucks. So I should just order 2. So
like let's not put the box top, but the box top is the rest is soup.
yeah. I just
Even
keep
then-
forgetting.
Let's
Even
go ahead
then,
and
just
kill your
plug in
Pokemon.
the box top,
Okay.
it's okay.
Because you don't need a
It's like
blocker.
order 2 box toppers and spend the else $20.
Yeah.
And now that you're doing that,
Yeah, again, I don't think
Oh,
it
yeah.
matters. I'm pretty sure you have this.
like I'm looking at this for $10.
Since that goes away.
That's only worth it. But I make $16 an hour.
You're like, bam, Chaos Mon, or Folder Arms. And I'm like, yup.
And then the weekdays, so and they're talking about raising consent for the game on the weekends. So that will be pretty awesome.
Swing at you.
So
Do your things.
That happens like
That for free.
Yeah, I will block.
Like this hobby will be no.
Right.
Like
Actually,
because
no,
my
it's
problem
fine.
is,
I already did it. Too
like I
late.
said, I want all the alternate bonuses for that.
Oh yeah.
So
I like it.
I'm hunting
Swing
for
at you.
them, so I'm like, I'm
Block.
not so I have to wait for release weekend or They're probably even score.
Yeah.
Why not? You want first? I'll go. Oh, pretty good. My
Kill
hands and inclination.
those
Three.
two.
Hands any inclination. What my
Let's see what it does. God damn
This is why I play rush points.
it. Yeah.
I give you 3 instead of the 6 that I would have given you.
Well, I drew who I'd rather put here. I would have rather have put my Weedmon that I drew instead of a blocker. Because then I would have put the blocker over.
Right?
Yep.
I guess we'll push to
We're up a turn.
one.
What'd you get? I didn't actually see. Sorry.
Oh, you're good. Lost one.
Glad I got that out now.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's the only play I can really do.
That was definitely a strong one.
Well, you say that, but again, you got a million memory.
Two,
You're like,
zero.
yeah, I know. Like, oh, you. With your millions of memories. 10K? Well, that's game. Okay. Yep. 2. That's rough.
No.
Stupid removal.
There'll be one more if I win this game.
How many 6s are in there?
What?
How many 6s are in your trash?
In my trash?
Yeah.
That one, that one, that one.
Well, let's see if my deck works the way
That
it's supposed to.
My hand had another puppet,
Double
another
Digibot.
I got rid of a
Valkyrie.
couple of Lord Knight ones, too.
Two of the Lord Knights,
Swing for 13.
and then
That's
2 of
3.
those are going.
Matters
I'll go
Yeah.
first.
Still three.
Okay.
I think you're a game regardless, but I will clear that.
Yeah, that was rough. It's that removal. Like, once you play that, I was
Oh,
like,
no, you don't
oh,
have
there
that.
it is. Because you just
If
swing.
it wasn't for the
Yeah.
blossom one dying.
Because it's just so big.
That's why I was
Yeah.
looking at your board. I'm like, I think I'm dead. But
That, and I had no 3s.
What?
it got moved to the back.
What did?
Oh, you're in stuff. Everything got moved.
One. I will hopefully draw until I find what I'm searching for. Maybe. Okay. Then finally drew what I wanted.
What game is this?
Two.
You got game 1, Jesse? I feel stressed watching this game. Like,
Yeah, nice.
do you want to go first or second?
Oh, I'm going first.
Okay.
Chances are I'm not going to throw my plays down again. I'll have 0 3s.
It's playing a game and I just didn't see like any threes. And it was just like in this deck, and I'm like, really?
Yeah, but again, this deck is extremely slow moving.
Yeah.
So I mean, the aggression's there if I need it, but I wasn't getting it.
Right, and that's what I like about like the portability of this is big and it's small.
Yeah.
So it's like I can flood the board
Yep,
and
that
I can also like
may
recover
go
myself and do everything else that I need to do. That way that blocker doesn't just end my life.
Right.
This is a hand.
Oh, you got it.
No.
Even playing this right now, it does mean
Alright,
that
then first,
kill it.
I will egg, baby, and then I'll play TK or tie for 4.
Okay.
Technically TK, yes, but not the TK.
Draw. Pass.
Hate when it does that.
Doesn't matter.
Yep.
Reverse that.
There you go.
Yep.
Yeah, too.
I was trying to either find another blocker.
That's what I was like. If he plays another blocker, I can't kill him this turn, but I'm to wipe his board.
That's literally what I was trying to find. Is just another blocker, and then
Like I had board wipe on
Kill.
line.
yeah,
Like I was gonna leave you with 2 guy. Like you wouldn't have that coming out in one
Yeah,
thing.
that's what gets
yeah.
me.
But
Yeah.
like that game, I was stressing. I'm like fuck.
Right.
Worst part is, I was testing this on Wednesday and didn't perform half as well as this when I was playing around with it.
Huh.
Like it's just like.
Damn.
Minus 3K that. Blow up.
That's disgusting.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Okay, making sure there wasn't monkey where I had to do monkey things.
Yep. Kill these 2.
Didn't want to waste it, but I need to get some bodies back on board.
Swing at you. Draw.
Nothing I can do. Nothing happens. I was hoping I go to my
Swing
hand.
at you. Draw.
Die. Yeah, there it is. Here it comes. Yeah, it's just the sheer removal the deck has. I can't keep up with it.
Yeah. Digivolve. Draw. Swing at you. Draw.
Block.
Okay. Swing there. Nothing to play. Kill that. So my hand is a lot of removal. Like this is all I've been seeing.
That looks a bit familiar.
Jesse, look at my hand.
Your hand is garbage, man. So much garbage.
It's all right. At least it's good garbage.
No, it's not. That's the problem. What game is this?
2. I got 1.
Okay.
This is rough. My 3s are nowhere to be found.
Swing at you. Draw.
Yeah, I'll block.
Okay.
And you're gonna go into.
I got it off that draw.
Yep. And then you're swinging at him. Well, you don't have to. You can just go ahead and.
Swing there. Play this.
This is just very much sad times.
You did.
I got no threes.
Yeah,
so
I mean,
I don't know why. But yeah, there's nothing I could do. So how many sixes are in your trash?
1, 2, 2.
So you got another 4 more minutes.
I like that. Oh, you just. That's actually a realistic move.
You go 3. Yep. Kill it. Swing.
And gone.
Nope. 4.
No, touche.
Swing.
Cool.
Dead.
And yeah, good stuff. Yeah, I don't know where my freaking threes were. They're just not. Yeah,
It's
this was
not-
just not. This
okay.
is not. Oh, there you go. It was just not meant to be. Good stuff.
Do. Oh.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Yeah.
I got
yeah,
it,
it's good
too.
enough removal. Good stuff.
Yep.
Yeah.